Hi, my name is Cindy. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for returning and welcome also. I make lifestyle videos. I do hair, makeup, nails, exercise. I try to do some live streams, and so if y'all have any other suggestions for me to do, I'll give that a try too. But today we're going to do a look with this Blend Bunny palette called Little Miss She Never Misses. We did the green look. We used every one of these green shades, plus we used the silver. So if that's what you'd like to do, please keep watching. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And before you go, please hit the like button, and you can hit the notification button. Sometimes it'll notify people, not all the times. I think I post too many shorts or something. But anyway, keep watching and you can see how we did this look here. Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're going to use the Little Miss She Never Misses palette. I got this brand new off the Blend Bunny website. It's on sale for $28, and that's what I paid for it with my own money. This is what the inside looks like. Today we're going to do a green look because I'm wearing some clothes with some accent green colors in them, and that's just what I thought I wanted to do today. I also got the Lure palette and the Beauty Below palette, which and they all had green in them, so it was a real toss-up what to use. But I elected on this one. We got some real dark shades, medium shade, a little bit different, a shimmer, and then I'm going to use this, probably this silver on the real inner corner, because this white, although it looks white, it's got a pinky tone to it. Let's see what the silver's got. The silver is a pure silver. I don't know if you can see that. But the white's kind of got a pink tone to it. We could use the yellow. It would be pretty. It actually looks yellow. I think for me, it'll either be the yellow or the silver. So let's, because what I'm wearing, I don't know that yellow is going to go. There's some white in there. So let's just start off with one of these. I'm going to take this kind of middle down at the bottom, and I'm probably using the wrong blush. Using this big fluffy brush. On both eyes. Oh, I got the other brush, so we're going to try this. We're going to do it just a little bit more since we got the other brush. I'm going to try to get it even. A lot of times I notice when I do the editing of my videos, I don't have each side even. So we're going to really work hard on that today. And then at the very outer corner, we're going to use this dark green. It doesn't really look like we have any black in here. We've got a super dark blue and purple. But no black, which is kind of surprising. The curator, they collabed with someone else, someone on Instagram that I really don't know, but I'm surprised she didn't want any black in there. She apparently really likes green with all these shades super similar. So we got green, blue, purple, and reddish orange. And then we've got a kind of a multi-chrome row, and then a shimmer row. I'm darken that up some more. I guess we got this dark green. It's pretty dark, so use that. So then I'm going to go ahead and lay down next to this dark, this shade of green, right underneath the dark. Try that again. So we're going to use all 5 of them, plus another one, but they're all green. So. And there's not really a nude color either, or any kind of browns, but that's okay. And then for the inner here, we're going to use that lightest green. With the same brush, I'm just wiping it off real good. Okay, we got a lot of green going on. Let's use our green shimmer. We're going to start off with our finger, and then we'll end it up with a brush too. It does look pretty. It's got a nice mirror. It's not real, I mean, the mirror's fine. It's not super clear. I mean, it just has got a dark cast to it, but that's not a problem with the mirror. It's just the way it is. Okay. Now I got this little tiny brush. We're going to put some more of that on there. Get it on the whole lid. And I did already do my moisturizer and skincare. I don't have any primer. I don't do that. Now I'm going to wipe this off. And I'm going to go ahead and just use the brush, not my finger. There's just too much. And see how this is going to look, silver is going to look on the inner corner. I guess we'll do this some more. I need to do the under eye, don't I? I really want the divination palette, but, or the Ellis, but one, the Ellis I didn't want to wait. I still may get it when it comes out. They didn't know when exactly it was coming out. And the divination, I'd probably just wait on the Ellis. It's probably got everything we need. So for underneath the eye, I'm going to go ahead with this darkest green again and try to be careful and pat under there. If you didn't see my last makeup video that I posted, I let Co-Pilot pick out my colors. Today I didn't let him. I'm not letting him another day. But I told him about the 3 new palettes that I bought and asked him to pick them out. So I'm going to try to keep this a thin line because I have a bad habit of getting it awful thick. So we definitely got a lot of green going on here. Take a different brush that I hadn't got green all over. We're probably going to put some underneath the eye too after we do our setting powder if we need a little extra. So we'll wipe that off and let's see if we can blend this a little bit more because I don't like doing editing and seeing 2 eyes just completely different. Just kind of blend this all out. That top of it. So this is what we got. I think for right now the under eye is going to be fine. Alrighty, back to the lashes. We're going to go ahead and line them. This is supposed to have adhesive in it, but I don't believe it. I put a little bit of a wing on it. Now, some more adhesive, one eye at a time. See if we can get this on the first try. There you go. Now the other eye. Now the other lash. Hopefully it'll come right on too. Alright, so there we are. So now we can get some little bit of foundation on or tinted moisturizer. I think I've got some tinted moisturizer left that I'd like to use. It's almost on. Then we're going to have another container that I need to use. I don't know that I could master putting it on my face. Some people have squirted it on their face. I'm afraid I would get it all over myself, all over my clothes and everything. I got some foundation on my lashes, but that's okay. I think that looks pretty. Let's put some powder on. Alrighty, let's do something with our hair before we get any deeper in this eye business. I went ahead and put on my top that I'm going to wear today. I'm going to pull my hair up. I'm kind of in an up mood. Plus, I either put too much stuff in my hair or I didn't get all the conditioner out when I washed it. I don't know what, but it's feeling kind of heavy up here at the roots. So we're going to clip it up. We're going to find a black clippy. Any clippy. So I don't know what I did. I was kind of surprised. I put some oil on it just a little bit, but typically I flip my head upside down and I'll put it on the ends and then just rub it through the ends. I don't really get anything at the roots. I try not to. I did spray some more stuff on there, but my only thing is I must have not got all the stuff out when I was rinsing it. All the conditioner. But I was in the mood for it up anyway, and with me pulling it up, I won't really notice that so much, hopefully. And we want it loose. I don't like the tight look. One, I don't want to go bald from traction alopecia. And then two, I just like fluffy. Okay. I can use a silver and a black maybe. Make sure I get it in there good. And a black. These is just what I had. I got plenty of clippies down underneath. Yes, I like the fluffy look. The only thing is now it's about a month since I've had my thing, so I've got a little bit of growth, but that's okay. I've got some stuff I could put on it if I wanted to. I think I did, unless I threw it away. So now let's finish up our eyes. Now that we kind of got our shirt on, our hair on. Our hair as good as it's going to get. Let's see how it looks in the back. Well, you can't see with that. We'll look with this mirror. Those magnifying mirrors don't like looking in the back. It's okay. So let's see what we can do now. What we need to do extra. we can kind of put a little bit more, maybe this lighter shade of green underneath the dark green, like just because. Let's see how that looks. Let's press in this dark green just a little bit more. Or we could just leave it like it is, just the dark green. That might be the best idea. Unless we do the light green closer to the inner eye. Let's do the light green, lightest green close to the inner eye. Like it is at the top. Then we're not going to mess with the top no more, except maybe just trying to blend it out a little bit more with a fluffy brush that I've left off, so I don't have any splotches. I hope they look just the same on each side. That's when you really notice this top here when it's not right. And then a little bit more of the silver with another little brush. Where is that brush? Maybe it was this brush. Just a little tap of the silver. Ooh, I hear the chime of our clock. Time for me to hurry up. Okay, so that's what we got. Let's finish up with highlighter and blush. It's a little cool tone, so I just decided this was up front, up top. I decided I pulled it out for us to use today. Fluff it in. Alrighty, now some highlighter. Pink for the top of the blush. Then for above the eyes, I'm just going to use the lightest tan shade. And put a little on my nose, just whatever color of brown we get with. That's going to rub off. So, now some lips. How about this just pink nude City Lips? It's nude on me anyway. Alrighty, so that's going to be it. This is our look. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. It's getting close. I have these people trying to beg me all the time in my comments, want me to hire them. I'm like, no, I'll do this on my own. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Give me a like. If you didn't like it, give me a dislike. Put in the comments what you didn't like. Maybe there's something I can do different, you know. I can try to improve, but I can't improve if I don't know what the problem is. So anyway, y'all have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.